When your phone's charging port or lightning cable gets wet, it triggers a liquid detection alert. You'll see two options: dismiss and emergency override. By selecting dismiss, you will clear the alert. But your device will not change until the charging port or lightning cable is completely dry. You can also use the emergency override option to charge your iPhone, but be cautious as it poses a risk to your phone. It is advisable to try other methods first. If your iPhone or lightning accessory has gotten wet, follow these steps for proper drying. Start by disconnecting all cables and accessories from your device. Avoid using external heat sources like hair dryers to dry your iPhone. Do not insert objects like cotton swabs into the lightning connector. Contrary to popular belief, placing your iPhone in a bag of rice is not recommended. If that's not the problem, then cleaning your charging port can be a good start to resolve this issue. There could be dust inside that is causing your charger to malfunction. You can carefully use a toothpick or any other non-metal material to clean your port. For detailed instructions on effective drying methods, you can refer to the guide provided on the Apple support page. Apple recommends leaving your iPhone in a dry area with some airflow for approximately 1 day. If you suspect that the lightning cable is causing the error, use a towel to dry it. Make sure to remove any water trapped between the metal pins. Sometimes the liquid detection alert may only appear when using a specific cable, so try using a different lightning cable to see if it resolves the issue. If you have a wireless charger, you can use it to charge your iPhone instead. In certain instances, the liquid detection alert can be triggered by a device glitch. Performing a force restart on your device might help resolve the issue. For iPhone 8 or newer models, quickly press and release the volume up and volume down buttons respectively. Then press and hold the side button and release it when the Apple logo appears. If you're using an older iPhone model, you can refer at the tag in the top right corner or find the link to the Apple support page in the description below to know how to force restart your device properly. And that's it.